Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make your own nail form or nail form tips, and this is just for emergency purposes when you run out of nail forms, and this is super affordable to make. So these are nail forms and you can buy them from eBay, Amazon, Shopee, AliExpress. They are very affordable usually, but if you always do your nails or if you have clients and you always do someone's nails or your nails, it's more likely that you will run out of this quickly. So if you want to achieve these beautiful nail extensions without nail form and you want to make your own nail form at home, your little DIY project, then just keep on watching. So for this, you're gonna need a masking tape, and the specific one that I got is a neon green, and they use this for construction. I actually got this from the hardware. It's actually a paint store, so they usually use this if they're gonna paint something. They want to cover some parts that they don't want affected by the paint, and this specific one is actually very nice for this project because it has a glossy finish. So it's better for your nail extensions because it's going to be a lot easier to remove after you cure the gel, polygel, acrylic, or whatever used to extend your nails. So now I'm just cutting this into 5 pieces. And then I'm just eyeballing it. I'm not really measuring them. I just cut them into 5 pieces, about 4 to 5 inches. It really depends on the size of your fingers, but the shortest would be the one that I'm gonna use for the nail itself, and I'm just cutting that curve because that is gonna go in my nail. And if you want this part to be stronger, add 3 layers for this one. It's going to be a lot easier to form this nail form that we're doing. So I am just attaching each part. So you should have one on the left and then on the right, and this is just gonna hold the nail tip form in place. So I'm just attaching that. As you can see, there's really no measurement to this, just whatever size you want. The most important part is the part that you're going to attach to your nail when you do your nail forms. So I added extra on both sides so that I can seal it under as well. So you're gonna see why I did that. So I'm just attaching this nail form under my nail, and for this you have to have nails that are slightly short. Doesn't have to be completely zero. It can't be zero already because you need to have something to attach the nail form to. So if your nails are completely cut down, the nail form won't be that secured. So what I'm doing now, as you can see, is I'm pinching on the sides. So it's also important to keep the both sides of the nail form as close to the nail as possible, and you should not make the mistake of putting them far from each other. Otherwise, it's going to be far from your side walls and your nail bed. So you have to make sure that the nail form is the same size as your nails as well. So here I'm just trying to form the nails and securing them, I mean the nail form. And to secure it even more, I'm adding one more tape on top and squeezing under just to make sure that everything's set. So I'm just using a 70% alcohol as my slip solution. So first, use a nail prep dehydrator. And guys, you should not miss this step. This step is so important. You have to prep your nails with this because it's going to keep your nails in place for a long time. It's going to make the wear of your nails longer, and it's really, really going to prep your nails properly. And next, I'm using the nail prep primer. Yeah, this is a nail primer. And again, this step you should not miss, guys. If I say you should not miss it, I really mean it. This is the IBCC NDC polygel. You can use any brand that you want. just as long as you're not allergic to it. I am allergic to this brand. I am allergic to most gels. I still haven't found a gel that hasn't given me allergies, but my allergies stay for like 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 days. Oh my gosh, I can't talk right now. So here I am, just forming my nails as usual. There's really no magic to this. I am using the nail form. As you can see, it's working really well. Like I said, that I added 3 layers of masking tape on the part that's holding my nails because it has to be the strongest part of the nail form. So as you can see, it's working really, really well. I'm able to do my shape. I mean, the shape of my nail extensions. And I didn't have a hard time working with this nail form. It's actually amazing for a very affordable price. Since I don't have nail forms at home, I'm happy that I can do it myself. So now I'm using this UV light and just curing the polygel. I cured it for about 2 minutes. This specific light, lamp turns off after a minute automatically, so I had to do it 2 times. Then I have these, what do you call this? Lint-free pads. And I usually cut them into 2 pieces just because it's so hard to find lint-free wipes. We don't have this here. You can find this in Watson's or any beauty supply store. I ordered this from China, so yeah. Then I'm using an alcohol just to wipe off the inhibition layer or the sticky layer that the gel usually leaves. That's why I don't like gel sometimes. And now this is the satisfying part, is when you're going to remove the nail form. And since it has a glossy finish, it's so easy to remove the nail form without damaging your nail extension, or leaving any paper residue on your nail extensions or on your nails. So it's actually a really, really effective DIY nail form. And now I'm just squeezing the sides of my nails just to get the C curve inside your nails. And since I just cured my nails, it's not yet 100% set. So while waiting for the nails to set, the polygel to set completely, I'm just squeezing the sides so I get the perfect C curve inside my nails. I don't have the squeezing tool. Is that what it's called? But yeah. And then I'm just using the alcohol again, and now not with a lint-free pad. I'm using a cotton pad just to wipe off any gel residue on my hand, because it's going to give you allergies if you leave some of them on your hand. And as you can see by squeezing the sides of my nails, it gave me this really nice C curve. But as you can see, you're now ready to design your nails. You can now add glitters, gel color, anything you want. But the sides are also really perfect. They're very strong, and they're definitely gonna last for a long time. I can feel it. And I actually really like the shape that I was able to make with my own DIY nail form. So I hope you guys learned something today, and if you guys want more nail videos, let me know. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video, and I'll see you guys again next time.